horta ana waxaan leeyahay qoftaan markii idin dhaa 40 jir saacadood waay sababta ay su'aasha iweydiino si ayada maba islaabe su'aasha kaween ayada yar horta fiir listen see
Assalamualaikum saudara galaban Assalamualaikum saudara
it's enough السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته وسلامتين من أصحابنا من الوالد وأدونك أتكجبتين جنالك أداونيسي أنايا قروح enjoy أنايا enjoy anyway حوا أصحابنا مان تلفون اللي بدويا سيدو كلا توحنا برتي أنا مركان هاد لايو إن ميكروفون عقبصة عن دلدل من فانتي لكن هذا ميكروفون ميستيو هدي عد كي مخلون كرال نخل صوبته تلفون محلو بدويا آيفون
12 iPhone 13 فاهمة
yes iPhone 13 اللي بدويا مركا ميكروفون مكحرنا هذا عد كينا مخلون كرال نخل sidoo kale Anaya xawaaye codkeeda ayadana waa iskiiriya miskiinta maanta wax ma soo cunay why you didn't eat today fruits
I eat Maggie
you eat Maggie okay what do we do today
I ask you questions
okay
5 questions I ask you
okay waxay dhahday macnaha muuqaalkan wuxuu ku saabsan yahay aniga su'aalooyin aan ku weydiina adigana su'aalooyin ay weydiinay marka dhibaatada jirta waxay maanta ani ingiriiskayga khalaas waay ingiriiskii fuulka ahay ma jirto fahanti ma sheegin halkii ingiriis ay ku hadasho in aan fasiro laakiin hadii oo si khaldan oo fasir xitaa iraan naqa okay what do you want to ask me the question
first people see the who win then first he ask
okay number
me
2 me 6 1 2 3 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 hey you start first
nowadays you not teach me Somali why
I don't need to teach
you not teach me Somali
you not teach me Somali
I want part 4
aba ifsiro kuwa okay maxaa Somali bari weysi cause you don't need you learn Somali language that's why I didn't teach you
how I learn
okay do you remember what I teach you see you already forget I told you before you love some Turkey boy I told you all the time when you sleep when you wake up when you eat the food you remember that guy
wow no
wallahi that's serious
wallahi.
Okay you forget what I teach you
no I didn't forget
oh what I teach you okay
up
okay
Arab far dick
dick dick ده بعاوية dick
dick
no dick
dick tin and one more thing
yeah one more
which one
waxaan rabaa inaan ku baro af Soomaali
waxaan rabaa inaan ku baro af Soomaali
okay
kanindo kanisan kani auf
okay
Arab tan tin
dick no dick dick no dick awaarad wuxuu ku baxday oo khatar
dick awaare
dick awaarad you know dick awaarad you forgot
the meaning
do you know who is dick awaarad تنفشل ساعتها ورا انت مود صار مود واحنا يسكتن okay I ask you question okay why you play the game like football you are not man why you play
it's my choice
your choice
yeah
you like it football
yeah
you like it enjoy you like it habada right
yeah
okay ask me the
yeah who's gonna play with me football
no. next one enjoy
camera كوينة عملها
camera كوينة enjoy iPhone 13 Pro Max I don't need camera صعور يا enjoy okay next question
أنا وين صاحب أنا
enjoy كده جوانا
enjoy أنا
كال enjoy كده جوانا enjoy كال FMDC توس حاسس كال enjoy okay next question
next question me I ask right
yeah ask me
why you not make with me video
why cause you are busy
I'm not busy
You are busy, I know. No, when I'm
I come, then you know make with me.
no. When I'm recording the video, you are not coming. You come late. Why you come late?
I want to come late.
Yeah. That I say you are come late.
Then you can say to me this time come, then I come it.
You come now. Now we will play the football and then we will record. You are ready?
I don't know how to play football.
Why you said my friend?
This time you plan to make.
Huh?
This time you want to marry me.
waxay dhahan fahanteen.
This
Ano
time
wax-
you want to marry with your cousin.
What do you say?
This time you want to marry with your cousin.
Horta ana waxaan leeyahay qoftaan markii idin dhaa 40 jir
Maybe
saac
Allah.
camal waay. Sababta ay su-aasha i weydiinaysa ayada maba islaambe. Su-aasha kaweyn ayadaa yar. Horta fiir, listen. Waxaan rabaa inaan ku hadlo af Soomaali, okay?
No.
Ma rabo af Ingiriis. Af Ingiriis waa
No,
ka
no,
nool.
no.
Why?
In understanding.
In English. How can I say I don't know how to speak English?
I don't know what you do, but you speak English.
I'm speak English. Cause my girlfriend, she said I'm young.
Yeah.
She said I'm young.
Yes, but
But now I don't want to marry. Cause when I was old, you will marry.
now you're old.
No, now she is young.
See, young and you're old.
Yes, I'm old. But she said when I'm old, we will marry. I go sleep.
I don't understand.
You not understand? Okay, af Soomaaliya ku shaa. Saaxiibteedu waxay dhahday 12 sano ku jiraa. Hadda aroos ma gaari, markiin gaaro aan isguursanayna. Ma fahanti?
Yeah, not fun.
Ma fahanti?
Not
Bay dhif afna.
fun.
Ciyaartiga dhaaf hadda.
Fancy.
Ma fahanti?
Fancy.
Okay.
You ask me.
You want to ask you. Okay, why you love the beach?
Beach.
Yeah, beach. See u taqaanid tahay.
I know beach even.
Why you love the beach? Cause when you swim, you are not good swim.
I like to go.
You like?
I like to swimming. This is
You
my
like to
course
swim?
in Napa, you know.
Wallahi de.
Wallahi.
Wallahi.
I like.
Oh my god. Allah Anaya, I love you so much.
But this
Gabadheeda saa ujeedin waxay jeceshahay in ay dadawaalato, in ay enjoy iska dhigtin fan.
Gursan.
Okay.
Who do you love? Amina, Unjoya, Muhammad, Nena, and me, and one more girl.
Okay, I tell you. We are all same, but one girl I love. That's my boy, that's my handsome, that's my cute, that's my beautiful, that's my enjoyer, that's Habadu is that. all right. I love you so much, Anaya. Cause you are so young. And then when
Yes,
I
very
didn't
good.
see, when they after today, I say, where is Anaya? Where is Anaya? All the time.
I have pizza.
That's why all the time I say, why you ask why you find Anaya? And then I say, you love you forget that?
What? Again?
Wakada mini shay na and sometimes English ko kwat la ita ma jirto. Like af Soma ana ungwad lo ya. I say, adiga markaa ku waayo marar badan waa ku weydiina. Markaan ku weydiiyana waxaan ogaadaa inaan ku jeclaa. Inaan ku jeclaan ogaadaa. You understand?
No.
Cause I love you.
Thank you.
Find
I
that.
love you too.
Okay, what did you say the people? What did you say?
Mulkal ka, kung ano mahani.
No, what did you say? What did you say?
Bye-bye.
Ano joy la malagagawi. Bye bye.